In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a Google Docs spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So first of all, we need to tap on these dots which will be available on your Google Chrome. Once you tap on it, you will see Google Drive option here. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will open Google Drive. Now click on New and from here go to Google Sheets and now on this arrow and click on blank spreadsheet, and now it will open a new window for your Google Sheets. Here you can see I have opened a spreadsheet on my computer. I'll simply close this panel, and once you are here you can name your spreadsheet. I'll simply name it my first sheet, and on all of these cells you can fill your data. So let me just fill my data here. Once you fill your data, you can use any of the formulas for your spreadsheet. So for that I'll simply type here is equal to, then type here sum, and now I can get the calculation for all of my numbers. And there is another way to add a spreadsheet for your Google Docs. So for that I'll create a new tab on my Google, then tap on these dots again and scroll down here this time and click on Google Sheets, which is this icon. Once you click on it, it will open a Google Sheets homepage for you, and now from here you can click on blank spreadsheet icon, and now there you go, I have again created a spreadsheet for my Google Docs. I'll simply close this panel again, and from here you can fill your data once again, and you can use all of these features for your spreadsheet and have fun with them. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.